What is your name?
My name is Sanvy.
Take that.
My name is Sanvy.
What is your school name?
Wonder Kidz.
What is your father's name? What is your mother's name?
Kidz.
What is your sister's name?
sanvy.
Which class are you studying?
LKG.
Okay. Tell any one story in English.
Angry fox walking around in a jungle. Saw a crow sitting on a tree. Had a piece of fish in his mouth in the eye.
Okay. Tell any two rhymes in English with action. Say, start. Are you sleeping?
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, morning master ding ding, morning master ding ding, ding dong bell.
Okay. The wheels on the bus go.
Wheels on a bus go round and round, round and round, round and round.
Okay. Recognize the letters, alphabets, okay? What is this letter?
A for apple.
Apple spelling?
A-P-P-L-E, apple.
What is this letter?
D for dog.
Dog spelling?
D-A-T, dog.
What is this letter?
H
H
for
for?
hat.
What is this letter?
P for pen.
What is this letter?
T for
10.
10.
What is this letter? Okay, now. Recognize Hindi letters, okay? What is this picture here?
A.
Say? What is this picture?
E.
Say?
Imali.
What is this picture? What is this picture?
A.
Okay. Recognize maths number, okay? What is this number?
2.
What is this number?
5.
This number?
6.
Say properly.
9.
What is this number?
6.
6 no. 16. What is this number?
16.
What is this number? 20?
20. 20.
Okay. We are going to Telugu. Okay. Ante?
Amma.
ఈ అంటే
ఇమ్మలి
ఈ అంటే తెలుగు. ఈ అంటే
ఉయ్యాల
ఊ ఊ అంటే
ఉయ్యాల
ఓకే. ఏ అంటే
ఏ-
సే
5
ఏ అంటే ఏనుగు.
ఏనుగు
ఐ అంటే
5
చ అంటే
చక్రము
జ అంటే జ అంటే
హెయిర్
you speak in Telugu only yaar. జడా
జడ
hair no. జ అంటే జడా.
జడ
ఓకే. We are going to EVS, okay? What is this picture?
క్యారెట్
This picture?
వంకాయ
You speak in English. Brinjal.
బ్రింజాల్
This picture?
టమాటో
This picture?
పొటాటో
This picture?
ఉల్లిపాయ
Onion.
ఆనియన్
Okay. Tell any two slokas in Sanskrit. Asatoma. Say.
అసతోమ
Sadgamaya.
సగమయ
Tamasoma.
తమసోమ
Jyotirgamaya.
జ్యోతికమయ
Okay. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu.
గురు బ్రహ్మ గురు విష్ణు గురు దేవ మహేశ్వర గురు సాక్షాత్ పరబ్రహ్మ కస్మై శ్రీ గురుదేవ
Okay. Trace and write the ka letter. Write ka letter. Cha. Ta. Okay. Show me that letters. Okay. Okay, you write numbers. 5. You write number 5. 8. 8 number you write. 8. Okay. Write 7 number. Okay, show me the numbers. Okay. You know na Hindi, ah? You know na? Write that letter. Sleeping line. This one. Okay, show me that letter. What is this letter? A.
A
What is this letter?
A